Hello, friends, both big and small. This is Miss Tiffany from the Butler Area Public Library, and I am here with an exciting new preschool program for the month of November. For November, we are going to have every Monday a new video like this one telling us all about what we're going to do that week in the Peg plus Cat Monday Math Camp. So I'm so excited you have chosen to join us for our very first one. This week, the skills that we are going to be working on in our camp session are number identification and counting. And I hope that you have had a chance to pick up the packet that I have prepared for you. You can pick that up at the library anytime. You don't have to have it while you're watching this video, but once you do get it, you may want to go back and refer to this video because it's going to explain some things to you. So in your packet, the first thing you're going to see is the caregiver newsletter. And that's for the grown-ups. That just tells us what we're going to go over this week. But it also gives us some access to a couple of resources that will help with this week's lesson. And I would like to give you a preview of those right now. So the first thing you're going to see some QR codes, which if you're not sure what those are, they are little squares on the sheet of paper that look like little black and white patterns. And you are able to scan those with your phone and go directly to the resource that they are connected to. So the first one is something for you to watch. It is this video called Picking Up Chickens, and it is a Peg plus Cat video. And you will see that it directs you right to the video. And you can watch it right there. Remember, that's going to help you with these number identification and counting skills that we're working on this week. If you scan the second code on your paper, it's going to redirect you to this Peg plus Cat resource, which is called 3-2-1 Snack. And it is actually an interactive game that you can play.
Here's the number of tasty snacks. 1, 2, 3. 3 blueberries. Great.
So as you see,
so here's the number of chickens we need on the shed. Could you click on the box that has this many chickens?
So as you see, Peg plus Cat are going to help us match up the number that we see with the number of items on the screen. So our number here is 5, and we're going to click on the one that has 5 chickens to match up.
2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chickens. Great.
So that was just a preview of a couple of the digital resources that you're going to have access to by scanning those codes on your caregiver letter. So this week we're talking all about counting, and one of the main skills we want to work on with the children is being able to count up to the number 10. So we can do this in a variety of ways. You can make flashcards 1 through 10 to help them identify the numbers and count them out loud, or you can count 10 objects. And there's 10 of lots of things, but an easy place to start is our 10 fingers. Miss Tiffany uses this method a lot during story time when we have counting activities. So one of the easy things to do is either put your finger up as you count it, or you can do just the opposite, put your finger down as you count it. Friends, why don't we practice counting to 10 together, all right? So Miss Tiffany is going to put 10 fingers up, and we are going to count them down together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We should count them up just for some extra practice, don't you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, friends. So you can just keep counting 1 through 10, or if you would like to challenge yourself, you could even go a little bit higher. All right, friends, the next thing you're going to find in your packet are some activities that you can do together to practice our counting skills that we're working on. The first thing you're going to find is this activity called Count Your Chickens. It kind of goes along with the song that Peg Plus Cat was singing to us. Remember when we watched a little bit of that video? So all of the information you need to practice the Count Your Chickens activity, including your chicken tokens for counting, are included in this part of the packet. Next activity you will find is the Peg Plus Cat number matchup. And this activity tells us that we can practice counting 0 to 10 or 1 to 10 by using index cards, or if you have other small pieces of paper, you can use those as well. So it's going to tell you how to set this up, how you can practice making the number line, and how you can play and practice your counting skills at the same time. Finally, the last activity you will find in your packet is the Peg Plus Cat Big Jig Flip Book. And this includes the instructions on how to take these two pieces of paper, and you're going to cut out all of these images of Peg Plus Cat, and you're going to put them in order of the number, and you can make a flip book out of it where it looks like Peg Plus Cat is dancing. Isn't that exciting? So friends, these are your tasks for the first week of Peg Plus Cat Monday Math Camp. Remember, this week we're working on counting, and we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, friends. I can't wait to see you for next week's math camp. Friends, if you haven't picked your packet up yet, you can pick it up in the entryway of the library. It will be marked Peg Plus Cat Monday Math Camp Week 1. This program is brought to you through Inquire Within, a partnership we have developed with WQED Education and WQED Pittsburgh, and is sponsored by the Center for Community Resources. Thank you so much, WQED and Center for Community Resources. We give you a perfect 10. If you need help finding more resources on counting or other math skills, please reach out to me at the library. I'm going to include my email in the description of this video. And if you can't get to the library to pick up your packet, that is okay, because I'm going to also include a digital download link to the information in the packet.